Quick question here for me to answer from Matt. Matt, thanks for asking the question. Google have just released Android for Web, or Messages for Web, I think it's called. And what that is it allows you to access your Android phone messages, your text messages on the web. So you can connect up to the web. I'm not even sure what the URL is actually, but if you search for Android Messages for Web, I'm sure you'll stumble across it. And Matt has asked, hey, what are my thoughts? Do I think this is any good? Is this useful? Personally, I do use a Pixel, so I'm on Android, but I actually use Messenger for all of my text messages. So when you use Facebook Messenger, which is the only Facebook app I have on my phone apart from the Facebook Creator app, I actually have all my text messages inside of Messenger. So I don't really have much of a use for this. Personally, I'm seeing text messages being used less and less. I travel a lot, and for the most part, I'm getting messages on Messenger. I'm getting messages on WhatsApp, and then all of my business messages are, obviously in Hangouts from the team. So I'm not really getting text messages that often. Like I'll get delivery notifications and whatnot via text, but not much else. So this one, probably not that useful. I'll put a link to it below so you can, get access to it and check it out yourself if you do have an Android phone. I assume you have to have the latest Android operating system for it to actually work, but it should work on most modern Android phones. But for me, this one is, probably not that significant. Personally, I use the Messenger app for no particular reason, just because it's one less app that I have to open, and it means that I've got all of my messages there, and they're searchable as well, which is pretty cool. Anyway, either way, thanks for the question, Matt, and keep them rolling. Take care.